After importing the video to the Bob Designer, instructors can add or edit captions, trim the video, or add a secondary string to the Bob. And we will go over the process for these workflows in this screencast. After a video is imported to the Bob Designer, please click on the video segment and select the Caption tab to view the captions. If the video is imported from the other video hosts, like YouTube or Panopto, and already has captions attached to it, the captions will automatically fetch the PlayPosit when the video is imported. Instructors can view the available captions on this page. Please note that we do not fetch auto-generated captions from YouTube, and instructors can manually download it to PlayPosit. To download captions from YouTube, click the View Available YouTube Caption button, select the desired captions, and click Download. Once the captions are downloaded, they will be listed under the PlayPosit Captions section. If there are typos in the caption, please select the caption, click the Edit button to open the caption editor, and correct the typos. After editing the captions, click Save Caption to save the change, and close the tab to go back to the Bob Designer. Instructors can also add a caption to the video segment by dropping the caption file to this page. Please note that for the video hosted on Canvas Studio, instructors must download the caption from Canvas Studio and drop them into the Bob Designer manually. After importing the video, instructors can also trim and crop the video segment with the Bob Designer. Please select the video segment and click the Trim and Crop tab. Drag the green and red flags to trim the video, or click Advance to enter the start and end time. To crop out a section from the video, drag the scrubber to the desired timestamp and click Add Internal Crop button. Then enter the start time and end time for the internal crop. Instructors can also use the green and red flags to adjust the timing. Once all set, click Done to save the change. A secondary stream is a video that will overlay on top of the main video and play along with it. To add a secondary stream, please select the Secondary Stream tab on the top and click Add Secondary Stream. Select the video host and find the video. After importing the video, click Customize to change the placement for the selected stream. Instructors can also expand advanced settings to provide more precise adjustment. After setting the placement, click Customize again and adjust timing for the secondary stream to appear. Once all set, click Done to save the change. Additionally, if the video is from Kaltura with a dual stream, instructors can bring the dual stream directly to PlayPosit by selecting the Include this video secondary stream option when importing the main video.